Welcome to Atour Hotel Maoming High-Speed Railway Station, People Square. To book your stay quickly and easily, just scan the QR code displayed on screen or check the description below. This hotel offers a great combination of comfort, convenience, and value, perfect for travelers of all types. Need a place to unwind or catch up on some reading? The hotel features a well-stocked library, providing a quiet and relaxing atmosphere. If you're looking for unique souvenirs or gifts, don't miss the gift shop, filled with local crafts and artwork. For those who want to stay active, there's a state-of-the-art fitness center with all the equipment you need for a good workout. The hotel includes breakfast for one person, making your mornings easy and convenient. It's located near the Maoming High-Speed Railway Station, making it ideal for those arriving or departing by train. With its convenient location, excellent amenities, and focus on providing a comfortable stay, Atour Hotel provides a great experience. Don't forget to book your room. Use the QR code now to secure your stay at Atour Hotel Maoming High-Speed Railway Station, People Square.